Winter soup, a warm phrase for cold days. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a cozy and intriguing phrase, winter soup. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore its meaning and usage, perfect for English language learners. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also brings you closer to the culture behind the language. Winter soup is not just about soup made in winter. It symbolizes comfort, warmth, and nourishment during cold times. In English, we often use food metaphors to represent feelings or situations. Here, winter soup is more about the emotional warmth and comfort it brings, rather than just a recipe. Key points. Symbol of comfort. Represents the warmth and comfort we seek in winter. Cultural aspect. Reflects how English speakers use food metaphors. You might hear winter soup in different contexts. For example, 1. Literal use. I love making a big pot of winter soup when it gets cold outside. 2. Metaphorical use. This book is like winter soup for my soul on a bleak day. Key points. Literal and metaphorical uses. Understand when it's about actual soup and when it's about something providing similar comfort. Learning similar phrases enhances your understanding and expression. Phrases like comfort food or warm embrace carry similar connotations of comfort and warmth. Key points. Related phrases. Learn others like a cup of tea, something pleasing, or bread and butter, something fundamental. I hope this exploration of winter soup adds a bit of warmth to your language learning journey. Remember, phrases like this add color and depth to your conversations. Stay curious and keep learning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language content. Stay warm and see you in the next video.